Hi, Lindsay.
Hi.
So, who are you and what we're going to talk about today?
Well, I'm Lindsey Browning. I'm the Appointment Center Manager here at Master Services, and we're going to talk a little bit about our referral program.
Okay, so I've been hearing about this referral program of Master Service. So can you give us some insights or details about this program?
Well, first of all, we do love receiving referrals from our satisfied existing customers. If they have a family member, a friend, or a neighbor who's in need of our services, of course, we would love them to refer those individuals to us. It really builds our brand awareness and the integrity, in our community as well. But kind of back to how the referral program works. It's called our $50 customer referral program. So any existing customer that we have who has had a free estimate and inspection provided to them by our sales inspector, they would just refer any person of their liking to Master Services, and that individual would call into the office and just request a free estimate and inspection. And then that individual would also need to let us know who referred them so we can attach that to their account. And then from there, we would send a $50 check in the mail to the person who did the referring.
Yeah, perfect. So my understanding is there's no sales involved in this.
No, just all you have to do is complete the free estimate and inspection with our sales inspector, and that's all you need to do. That's all that you need to have completed to get you qualified for the referral program.
Okay, so you spoke about free estimates. So for the people that don't really know what this is, what would that be?
So if you have anybody that's in need of crawl space repair, basement waterproofing, concrete leveling, or foundation concerns, you would just call in the office here, speak to one of our call center representatives, and they would get you scheduled with a free estimate and inspection. And our sales inspector would come out on the day that you've scheduled the appointment for. They would complete a thorough inspection. It typically takes 2 hours, but that just depends on any questions that the customer may have for the inspector. But he would do a thorough inspection and present them with the written estimate at the end of the appointment.
Okay, so that seems pretty straightforward to me.
Yes.
So first I get a free estimate, and then I can refer someone else.
Yes, correct.
And this other person must have done a free estimate as well.
Correct.
Okay. Previously, you spoke about community and integrity. So what I would like to ask you is, how those two words are relevant for Master Services?
Well, I've been here for about 4 years now, well, over 4 years, and we've always said we want to do the right thing. So we want to do the right thing by our customers, and we really try to emulate that by the level of service that we provide. So how that can kind of relate to referrals is if you have someone referring you that's a family member, a friend, or a neighbor, that's someone you already trust. And if they're referring you to someone that they trust, then that kind of just speaks for itself. And from there, we would set the expectation and set the tone when we come out to their house and just show them the wow service that we can provide.
So, having said so, what would be the best and easy way to reach to Master Services?
Well, you can reach us in all forms of contacts as far as text message, email, on our website. You can Google us, those types of things. But the best way at the end of the day is just to give us a call and speak to one of our representatives.
Well, thank you very much, Lindsay.
Thank you.